Right, today, tonight. Say it. Right, Jack, what are we doing today? Right, no, we're not fixing it because it's already working, but he keeps complaining about Noah's was faster and he's got a KX 60, but we're just going to run this into the ground until it blows up. So it was your birthday the other day, and I just wanted to see how fast we could actually get it going. Just one of these crappy Chinese shit things, but yeah. So we got the 60 big bore kit from. So I want to see if it goes faster than Noah's, Jack, eh? Right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to put this on, the big bore kit, the 60 kit. So, get on with it, innit? Aye, aye. Jack,
Yeah?
what are you doing? Fixing the bike. He's not fixing it because he's not broke, but he's... Was it upgrading? Whoa. Upgrading! Fix it! Fix it, Jack! Jack? Woohoo! Right, quick dinner break. What are we eating?
I forgot.
Grasshoppers. There's a lot. That one, Kate. Just dried grasshoppers for a quick snack. Get down then. Eat it. Do you like it? not bad. I'll have another one then. Not bad. Right, half time break done, bye. Right, we've took the pull start off. Next job, head off. Take its head off, Jack. Take its head off. Have you done it, boy? Yeah. Right, go on then, pull it off. Let's have a look at piston. Ooh, look at piston. It's not even that bad, you know. It's not bad at all. But we want the big bore kit on, don't we? Yeah. So next job, where's your box? Where's your box? It behind you. Good luck. Put it on table.
Put it on the table.
There we go. New barrel. New bit. Oh, go steady with that. Ooh, look, and then we got all brand new gaskets. Brand new. We've even got new bolts for head. That's not a piston. What is it? Oh, I think, boy. What is it? Spark. Spark what? Spark plug! Where did we get you from? It's a fucking spark plug!
Africa.
Africa? Oh, right, we'll leave that there. Right, so, right, piston rings on, new 60, yeah. So, remember, piston rings, yeah. 2-stroke this, wait there, let me focus. Focus. It's not. Oh, there you go. Oh, is it there? Jack, watch out there. I can't get it. There we go. Right there, look. See them little grooves there? Right. On the piston here, look. Oh, focus, man. There you go. There, so the piston ring needs to sit in the same way that see the little pin there, that goes, so where that pin is, the piston ring needs to go that way, yeah? Okay, now. There, that way. Oh my God. Right, I'm going to put it on, I'll show you, bye. Right there, just like that, look. Just like that, look. There we go. And look, there's an arrow on the top. So there's... Right, so remember, on piston on 2 strokes, there's an arrow there that points towards the exhaust port, yes? Yes. Arrow, exhaust port, remember it. What do we know, Jack?
Oiling the piston up.
Oiling the piston up. Remember, lube it up, boys, lube it up. Jack, is your bike done? No. No, I mean Noah. Noah's bike's done, look, he's got his new plastics on. What have we done? Put the new spring on it, haven't we? So now he's full size.
I'm done, look.
Woohoo! Look at that. Brand new, boys, brand new. Right, next. This. That goes in there, just like that. Like that. Just like that. And then put your piston on that. 2 seconds. Right, it's getting dark now, Dicky, dark. Right, the new head, pistons in. So, I'm going to put head on, look. So, head. Got this little gasket here, look. So then when we put sugar with shit on top. No, go back on there, I've got OCD. And then we're going to put this on now. On there. And we'll be back. And it's nearly done. Getting dark, it's getting dark. But look, move your hands, Jack. Oh, look at that. Come on in. Party sausages. Woohoo! Are you getting together, Jack? What? Jack, you getting together? Yeah. Come on then, son, get good. Woo, yeah. Final touches. Go on, Jack, nip it up. Nip it up. Whee! Right. Jack's at school, so I thought I'd come down and do final touches, which I have. So I'll just put some petrol in it there, right? Turned it on, I'll let it for a minute to get it down, fill the carb up. Now I can't remember if that's on or off or on. I think that's on. Ooh, 60 kit on a crappy Chinese thing, but he's got a KX to go on there next, so right. Oh my good God. Right, we're there. Well, it works. Ah, yeah, bugger. Let it warm up. Oh shit. There you go. The big ball. Turn it off. I can't hear myself think. Big ball 60 kit on one of these mini motor things. That's how we install it. Wait till Jack gets home from school. We'll get him outfield on it. Woo! Go on then. Sausages. Here he is. Look. We're just going to run this one into the ground. He's got the KX 60/70 to go. Woohoo! I told him to go steady. Right. Might need to put bigger jets in. Good night. Thank you. Love you. Bye.